Hello everyone, greetings from chateaubouffemont. Today in this video we're going to talk about wedding proposals, elopements and organizing intimate ceremonies. Sandra, the owner of La Jolietta Weddings and Event Agency, is organizing an editorial photo shoot just like it will be in real life. I will take you behind the scenes and show you how many work goes into organization of such a small size event. And I will also share some great tips with you can use while organizing your own wedding ceremony. So let's get going. Preparations have begun, things are starting to take shape, so I thought it's important to show you how many people are involved, how many vendors are working to make sure this one day perfect event just for two comes together so nicely. I guess it's one of the most memorable moments of our life, so why not?
Hello, my name is Sandra. I'm from Brazil, but I live here in France. I'm from La Jolietta Events, and I'm organizing this photo shooting today, and I hope you like it. It's gonna be very beautiful.
Hi everyone, I'm Cassia from Jolietta Paris. Today I'm here taking care of the flowers for a nice wedding. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I'm Lisa, Flor de Lisa Art. I work with wedding stationery, so I brought today some piece of paper to be used for the groom and bride.
I'm Thais Braz, I am a makeup artist.
Hello, I am Sabrina, hairdresser.
Here we have lots of makeup, lots of colors to make the beautiful bride even more beautiful. Lots of flowers to complete the table decoration. And you know Rafael already?
Hey!
Rafael is taking care of the music today. He's gonna play his violin and do some nice tunes.
Hi, I'm Mariana.
Hi, my name is Sacramento.
We're photographers. We live in Italy, but we're Brazilian.
Yes, we live in Italy. We travel the world doing weddings.
And we're very happy to be here in this amazing place today.
Amazing location.
It's our first time here and looking forward to great pictures.
Absolutely. We look forward to do amazing pictures in beautiful place like this. Yes, thank you.
Hello, I'm Tatiane Schneider. I'm a ceremony officiant and I'm here today at the Château de Bouffemont to celebrate a wedding. And we are having a great time today, a beautiful wedding, and I hope you like it.
Hello, my name is Matheus. I degree today. Hi guys, I'm Marco Brellinger. I'm filmmaker from extreme south from Brazil, and there I start to make films, wedding films. This is my passion. Now I live in Paris, and today I make one amazing movie here in Château, and I don't know, it's like crazy. The space is amazing. You have amazing stuffs, and I don't know, the vibe, the couple, and I don't know, just thank you guys, thank you so much. It's like a privilege for me to stay here today. Thank you, La Jolietta, thank you guys from Elopements. Yeah, bye bye.
Hi, I'm Tawi Nicolillo and I'm the bride.
So tip number one, while organizing your marriage proposal, wedding ceremony or the vow renewal, it's important to keep in mind the bad weather scenario. You never know, it may rain. So choose your spot or your venue, taking into consideration of having plan A and plan B just in case if it rains. So a chateau in France is of course a great option, but obviously you can have romance and intimacy all together with multiple areas just in case if it rains. So let's say you go for an option right in the city center, a city spot. It's also important to have some intimacy, because don't forget the bride will most probably in a beautiful dress, a nice dress, so it's important for everyone to feel comfortable. Tip number 2 is about flowers and decorations. The list of things you certainly need are the bridal bouquet, a boutonniere or a buttonhole for the groom, and at least 2 vases of flowers for the ceremony. These flowers are to be put on the floor during the ceremony, but you can also use them later on for the dinner as well. Of course, you can also go for a floral arch option, maybe even a column of flowers, which may be a bit less expensive. Tip number 3 is about the dress for the bride. I've been asked many times if it's possible to buy the dress while you're here in Paris, but I would definitely suggest to bring your dress where you're coming from, because you'll certainly not have enough time to find the right dress and get the right adjustments for your measurements. Can you imagine the stress just 3-4 days before the ceremony, running around to find the best dress? Oh my god, not possible. But of course also keep in mind the weather conditions, the seasons. If it's the winter, if it's the summer, make sure to bring the right dress. Alright, that's all about the tips. Let's go and check and see how the photo shoot is going. One last tip before I forget, you can still invite some close friends and family, maybe for a dinner afterwards, because it's still an elopement, it's still very intimate, but you can cherish these moments forever with all those friends and family for years to come, and it's much more fun. Alright, everyone has gone home for the day. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes video about marriage proposals, wedding ceremonies and intimate moments just for two. I'm sure you can appreciate all the work that goes into putting together these small events which last only a couple of hours. So thank you to all the vendors and partners who helped this video come true. I will leave in the description below their contact details. You can check their social media accounts too. So the wedding season is fast approaching, so I'm sure you are in the planning season now. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments below. We'll try to get to you as soon as possible in the next videos. So if you like this video, give us a good thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn that bell on. We will see you in the next video next month, coming soon. See you soon.